Hello people of the internet. I can't tell you just how excited I am. I have got the Caran d'Ache Luminance 100 set. They have just arrived and they are mine. And these are the most expensive pencils that I own, definitely. These were actually given to me as a right, so I've been working really hard recently, and whenever I get to the end of a project, not whenever I get to the end of the project, this was a particularly complex project, the company that I'm working for, before they've bought me like a night in a hotel or a weekend at a spa kind of thing, I've had bonuses like £1,000 bonus for completing a project. And this is what I've just got for completing a project. Okay, so I'm going to open it live on camera, and I am truly excited, and I am really nervous as well. So let me get some scissors. I'm scared. I don't want to damage the box. Okay, we've made a little hole. I never thought I'd get expensive pencils. To be honest, I don't need expensive pencils. But let's get rid of that. Oh, they're in little spongy things. Look at that. Let me smell them. Oh, they smell like Derwent. Oh, I love the smell of pencils. I think there's something wrong with me. Oh, that's nice. Oh, they're nice. They are fancy little strawy things. This is velvet. They have little velvet pulleys. Oh, these are so nice. I am not going to want to use them, am I? Oh, there's 4 trays. Oh, they're nice. I don't know what to do. Let's put them back in their order first. Got big cores, haven't they? Right, they're the nicest colours. What do they get too white, do you? Oh, you get too white. You get 100 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 26, 52, that's 104. Oh, you get 2 black, 2 white, you get 2 black? Permanent colour, Swiss made, black. Yes, you get 2 black, 2 white, and then the blender pencil and the full-size blender. So you get 100 colours. Oh, it's even squashed under that. It's got padding underneath there. So each pencil is in its own little foam tray, foam slot. And then underneath, where they sit on top of each other, they have to be stored in this box. It would be sacrilege to put these in anything other than this box. Right, I need to try some now. Oh, I want some nice paper or something. Where's my little blending? Oh, I've got some in here, haven't I? I put some away earlier. Got some charts that I'd made at some point. I'll use a blending chart. Or this swatchy chart. Let's use a swatchy chart. Oh, I don't want to do a light one to start off with because it might not have much pigment in it. Oh my word. Look at them. This one is grey blue. Oh. Why do I smell everything? I always smell everything. They're unusual. Maybe it's just a colour. Right, let me try a different colour. I was going to say that it felt chalky, but it could just be that colour. Oh, this one's better. These are soft. These are nice. Let's blend that in with something. Shouldn't do a hard pressure blend really. I should have done a. Are these as soft as Prismas? They sort of feel it. My word. I'm going to do a soft blend now. Let's do a greeny one. I like green best. Let's do that. And that. And that. Oh, remember where they go. They go in that order. So, soft pressure. They're really highly pigmented because that's really difficult to do a I can't speak. I am rendered speechless. Oh, they blend. Oh my word. Didn't like that green so much. Let's try that green. Put that green instead. Oh, that's a dark green. Okay, that's a dark green. Let's put that one back. I didn't like that green so much. Let's try this green. I don't know whether these you're going to do a light touch or a hard touch. Oh, look, with a hard touch. I want to do them in a colouring book. Let's get a colouring book. Where's me, let's do this. I was doing this one the other day. What was I doing the other day? Oh yeah, I was doing this. See what colours are underneath there. Right, yeah, okay, it's purples underneath there. And what's underneath there? Some pastel-y colours. Right, so I've got those and those and those. What should I use? I'll try the red to do the berries first of all. I was playing with red for these berries the other day with something. I need to get down. You need to get down. Look what I've done there. I've drawn right on the page at some point. My word, these are smooth. That's Prismacolors there. And that's Lightfast. Oh, I'm going to be ruined. I am going to be ruined by using these pencils. Let's put some orange here. I wanted to do something orange. That does do... this tulip. What happens if you get into using light fast pencils? You could never use any cheap pencils ever again. Oops, smacked you around the head. These are not like anything else that I've used. Anything else. These didn't weren't the most blendable colours. The points barely go down as well. Look at that, it's like paint. I am ruined. People of the internet, I am ruined. I can never go to cheap pens ever again. Pencils even. Isn't it funny, I never felt this way when I tried Copics. Oh, this is, look at that rich colour. What am I on, the dark one? These are like paint. Is there another tulip on here that I can do prismas with? These are better than prismas. Look, they barely go down. Prisma I'd have sharpened again by now. Look at that. So nice. I'm going to do this bit. So nice. Sorry, I know you're right off the screen. I'm too excited to look at the camera. Oh dear, all these years I've been saying I don't need expensive pencils. I'm happy with the Artezas. Yeah, didn't really speak until I've tried excellent ones. That's it. All my other pencils. All my other pencils. You know what they feel like? They feel like you're colouring with pastels. They've got that softness, but not waxy softness. I don't know if I'm talking rubbish or not. Anyone else who's got these, do you know what I mean? When you lay down pastel pencils, they're all soft, but not waxy soft. That's what these feel like. I'm going to have to learn some more blending techniques than my 3 colour blends now, aren't I? Look at that. Sorry, you're not going to be able to see it. It just went blurry. Right, let me just put these 2 pencils back. And let me just get my Prismacolors. Sorry, I just when I got 2 Prismas. And this bit here has been done with Prismas. And what I was just saying was, we all know that Prismacolors are soft. But light faster on another planet. I had to work a lot harder. I am ruined, people of the internet. I am ruined. They keep their point too well, the light fast. Oh, I'll have to go. This is supposed to be an unboxing and first impressions. Oh dear dear. Look how much has worn down out of this pencil using hardly any. I just sharpened it out, so I did all of these. I did that. Then go over the prism. Bring the light back up there. I am ruined. What am I going to do now? I'm never going to want to stop colouring with these. Okay, so that's my first impression of the light fast pencils. I almost want to cry. I know that sounds terrible or mad or crazy, but these are so nice to colour with. If you can get these on a bargain price deal, people on the internet, if you can get luminance on a bargain price deal, get them. That is just phenomenal. Let me just have a look what it looks like in the light. They're just so nice. I never thought that. That's what I see in other people's colouring books. Oh. And look, I was playing with all my other pencils the other day. So this is, I think that's Colour Soft. That's Arteza. What were them ones? I quite like them ones. They might have been Arteza actually. Out of this world. Okay, so that's my first impression of the most gorgeous pencils in the universe. Hashtag am I biased? Hashtag probably. I'm going to go and have a little cry now. And thanks everyone for watching. Take care. Bye.